Today I'm going to make cake, frosting, and dessert, whatever I can think about. And this is going to be an experiment. Come along with me because I'm going to have fun. And this is the first time I ever made it. I'm gonna be the chef, little chef. I'm going to be the chef. Let's get started. It's going to be fun, fun, fun. Okay, let's get started. Right now, we're going to be making frosting. So I have my sugar, my cottage cheese, my milk, the food coloring, and vanilla extra, and of course my mixer. Enjoy as you watch. I'm going to add the sugar and the vanilla extra.
So start.
Let's add more sugar. And the vanilla extra. Now I'm going to set the bowl aside. Now I'm going to whisk some egg white. Now I'm going to start adding sugar. It's coming out nice. Put vanilla extra.
Not so much.
tastes pretty good. Tastes creamy. Now I'm done with this. I'm gonna continue with this. Gonna show you it. Delicious. I like the frosting. Delicious. It's good, bruh. It's good. What if it stuck in my hand? Ah! Everywhere is dirty. That's the point of cooking. Now we have to clean up. So if you make a mess in your kitchen when you're cooking, that means you're an expert at cooking. So I'm an expert. I'm a chef. That works. It's so nice. Oh, oopsies. Right now, I'm going to make a Pazil dessert. So I'm going to take my frosting that I already made, and I'm going to take some of the Pazil, and then I'm going to join them together. Ooh, this is so fun to do. It's so fun. It makes me happy while I'm doing it. Woohoo! Part of the cake is ready. Now I'm just gonna let it cool, and then I'm going to put the frosting on top. That sounds good. Yay! It came to my favorite time. The best time ever. Time to frost the cake. I've seen lots of people make this type of cake before. And it's so exciting! I'm doing it! So exciting. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, it's great. Ja. Oopsies. C's. Gotten to the end of today's show. I hope you enjoy the varieties. Please kindly subscribe and like and hit the notifications bell, and also share my videos. Bye!